Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I've been finding some really great things at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to share with you guys. I am so excited about what I found, so I want to get right into it. But before we begin, if you guys are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button, and also do not forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. I do post 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so I would love to have you. Why not join me? And without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I wanted to show you guys is these gift bags right here, and I'm just gonna pick at random, like anything that I grab first from the bag. That's what I'm gonna be showing you guys. But this is so pretty. So it comes in a 2-pack. I only seen one of these and it was like in a random place, so I don't know if they have any more in my store, but these are just so beautiful. I actually like this paperback look. Like, it's just beautiful. It's very glittery. It does have a little bit of glitter fallout. This is just so pretty. It has the Christmas trucks, and then this one is with the snowflakes. So I do think this is really, really cute. And then, okay, this is already open. So they've been bringing these holiday cookies. So it says that it is holiday shaped shortbread cookies, and guys, these taste amazing. So my daughters and I have been eating this. I tried my best not to eat too many, but yeah, half of it's gone already. It's around the Christmas time, and I try my hardest, guys, not to, because I am trying to lose weight and I'm on a diet. But these, I have to say, guys, taste amazing. I think these are really perfect if you want to do like gift baskets and add this as like part of the gift. This is so perfect. You get such a big bag, and I have to say, guys, these taste amazing. They're addicting, so be aware if you have a sweet tooth like me. They are very addicting. And the one thing I have to say that I love about these are also vegan. It doesn't say it's vegan, but I always check the ingredients, and this is vegan. So I'm really happy about that because I am vegan, if you guys don't know. And this is just amazing. These taste amazing. So let me show you guys how they look. So this is the size of them, and it has like red and green sparkles in it. Sparkles? Oh my gosh. Sprinkles. So it looks like this. And there was also a gingerbread guy, a gingerbread man. There's another one right here, and here's the gingerbread man. So they have like 4 different shapes, but I just love it. I actually love the way this bag looks. So it's just beautiful, perfect for gift giving. And I regret not buying like 4 bags of these because I do want to do like some gift baskets and give them out to some people. So for that matter, I kind of feel bad that I didn't. It was literally like the last 4 that I seen on the top shelf, and I just got one. So it is what it is. So next up is this right here. So this is a magnetic drawing board. I got this for my baby girl, and I have to say it does work good. It doesn't work super great. The only complaint I have about this is that when you try to erase it, this thing right here, you have to really press it hard to erase this, but it does erase. I didn't erase quite everything. My baby girl was playing with it. I wanted to put it back in the box so that way you guys see it. But I do think these are really cute for like little gift baskets. If you want to put like a little gift basket of toys or something like that, I do think this is cute. But I just bought this for my baby girl just because I knew she was gonna have fun with it. The only thing I have to say is beware, is if you have a baby, make sure you watch your baby very well, because you know they put everything in their mouth. So whenever she uses this, I really watch her very well because she's 1 year old, but she does have fun doodling. But then after a while, she tries to take it in her mouth, and that's when I take it away. But just want to point that out. I don't want somebody to tell me like, oh my gosh, you recommended it and my baby choked. You know what I mean? I don't want that to happen. So anyways, this is really awesome. Then I found some bows. I'm gonna use these for the railings. So they look like this. They're very glittery. It does have a lot of glitter fallout though, I have to warn you on that. But these are really pretty. If you don't want the glitter to go anywhere, just hairspray it and you'll be fine. But yeah, I got 4 of these and it comes in a 2-pack. I do think that's a great deal. They're really pretty, but again, I'm gonna have to hairspray them because I really cannot stand the glitter fallout. It just drives me crazy. Moving on, and now I don't know if you guys ever checked out their toy areas, but if you have, I'm pretty sure you might have seen this. So I got this again for my baby girl, and she actually likes to sing and talk to it. So whenever she talks, she likes the fact that it kind of echoes. So my baby girl loves to play with this, so I did get her this. It does echo, so I do think this is cute, like perfect stocking stuffer. And I love whenever I hear her talk through this, like her voice echoes, and it's so cute because she just smiles. But this says for 3 years and up, but I don't see this being like a hazard for my baby. I mean, I always watch my baby whenever she plays, but this I just think is really, really cute. Let me show you guys how it sounds. Hello, hello. That's pretty cool, right? For $1, I do think that's pretty cool. And kids, like, they get entertained really easily. So I just wanted to add that to her stocking stuffer. Next off is a mug that I've been looking for a long time. I'm so happy that actually my friend found this for me. We always kind of like help each other out whenever we go to Dollar Tree. We let each other know what we're looking for, and whoever finds it, we just give it to each other. So here is this one. This one says, I'm only a morning person on December 25th. I love that. And this size of mug is a really great size. I don't know if it tells me what's the size of this. No, it doesn't say, but this I would say is about maybe 16 ounces. It's really huge. I mean, look at my head. Really big mug. Perfect, amazing. I cannot wait to use this for tea. I just absolutely love this. And I love the fact that they only added green and red to it. Like, there's no other colors, just red and green. Perfect traditional Christmas colors. So I just love it. It's white on the inside, and it does say that it is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. So that's pretty cool. Next off is this right here. So this is the French Roast Premium Blend Bold and Smoky Dark Roast Coffee. So there's 4 K-cups in here, and I do have my Keurig coffee maker, so I wanted to try these out, and I'm gonna let you guys know how they are. I heard that they also have this in chai tea, and I did also see the hot cocoa one, and there's also one that is the light roast. This is the dark roast, but they do have light roast. So next off, I got some Newtons, and I really love these. I think with these, it's either like a hate it or love it for people, but I actually really love it. They are vegan, they're amazing, they taste great, and I got them at the Dollar Tree. I don't usually buy these often just because I try to not eat too much cookies and stuff like this, but they are good, so I decided to get this. Next off, guys, I found some spices. So these are by Kingsford, and I know this is a name brand. I don't usually see Dollar Tree carry this, but they are carrying it right now. So if you guys are looking for spices, pick it up because I don't think these are gonna last. So the first one is the lemon pepper. It is a all-purpose seasoning, and it says that it's a Caribbean citrus with a kick. Interesting. So it looks like this, and I do use lemon pepper quite a bit. And then this one is garlic and herbs. It says that it's a all-purpose seasoning. It's a rustic Tuscan style. That again sounds really amazing, and I love to season with herbs and stuff like that, so I'm really excited to try that. Next off, guys, I got a bunch of lip balms. And I'm gonna let you guys know these are all cruelty free, and I love that. Let me show you guys. There's a lot of them. I don't know if I can show you all at once. Let me see how I'm gonna do. Okay, so looks like this. So these are by like different candies, and I really love it. I actually got this for my oldest daughter, and I'm gonna put these in her stocking stuffers because I know she's gonna love them, because I mean, they smell like candy, so that's pretty awesome. So the first one is the Laffy Taffy Cherry Flavored Lip Balm. Looks like this. The second one is this one right here, and this is the Fluffy Stuff Cotton Candy, and it is I was gonna say it's flavored lip balm. Duh, it is. So I did open this just because I wanted to try it to see if it gives out some kind of scent, and it really does. Now, it's not like the strongest cotton candy smell, but it really does. I do feel like the other ones are gonna give out more of a scent just based on the flavor or the scent that it has. Next one is this one right here. This is the Airheads in the flavor grape. And these are all the candies that my daughter loves, so I had to get it. They had other ones, but I only wanted to get the one that are my daughter's favorite. Another one is this one right here. This is the Mike and Ike Caribbean Punch. So she's gonna have lip balm for a while for sure. And then the last one I picked up for her is the Swedish, I can't talk. Swedish, oh my gosh, I said it worse now. Swedish, I can't say it. Oh my gosh. Phoebe, chill. Okay, Swedish fish. I'm sorry, guys. I'm butchering it. I can't say it. I don't know what's wrong with me. But it's this right here. And she also really loves this candy, so I had to get that for her. And now the last two items are actually candy. I picked up candy for her as a stocking stuffer. One of them being is this right here. This is the Blow Pop lollipops. She really likes these, so for Christmas she's going to get this in her stocking stuffer. And then the last candy is this one right here. This is the Sour Patch Kids in the extreme sour. So she likes soury candies. I'm not really into it, but she really likes it, so I had to get this for her. And that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.